Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. So today's video topic is how to fix webcam issue on Windows 11. So without wasting your time, let's start with our first step. Right click on your Windows icon, then click on this settings option. Now on the left side, click on this option privacy and security. On the right side, scroll down and you will see this camera option. Click on it. Now the important thing is make sure this option is enable camera access. Enable both the options. Now you will see some applications here. So you can also enable or disable your camera access for a particular application. For example, Skype. I can switch off my camera for this application, or I can also enable my camera access for a particular application. Now scroll down and you will see this option camera device settings. Click on it. Here you will see your connected cameras. So this is my camera name. Click on it to access your camera. So as you can see, my webcam is working, and you can also adjust the settings of your webcam. You can adjust the brightness as well, or you can reset the default settings. Or if this option is disabled, like this, if this option is disabled, you can also enable your camera from here. This is how you can enable or disable your camera. Now move on to a next step. If you are still getting the same issue, if you want to allow your camera access for a particular website, for example, this is a website Google. If you want to enable your camera for this particular website, you can simply click on this lock icon, then click on this site settings. Now you will see this option camera. To enable your camera access for a particular website, change it to allow, then cut this window, and after that reload this page. So this is how you can allow your camera access for a particular website. Now move on to our final step. If you are still getting the same issue, right click on your Windows icon, then click on device manager. Now you will see your webcam driver here, camera. Expand this option. So this is my webcam driver. Right click on it, then click on update driver, then click on search automatically and make sure your internet is working. This option will update your camera driver. Click on close. Now restart your system and check. If you are still getting the same issue, right click on your camera driver, then click on uninstall device. Do not tick this option, simply click on uninstall. That's it. Cut this window and restart your system. This will automatically reinstall your camera driver again. So these are the 3 steps you can try to fix your webcam on Windows 11. This is all for the video. Thank you.